In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a 301 redirect from one domain to another using WP Engine in 2025. This process is essential if you're transitioning your site to a new domain name and want to ensure a smooth passage for your users and retain your SEO rankings. Let's get started by logging in to your WP Engine dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the site you wish to work with. You'll find your list of sites upon logging in. Simply select the site that you plan to redirect from. Now look towards the left-hand menu. You want to select Redirect Rules under the Utilities section. This is where we will manage the domain redirects. The Redirect Rules page is crucial as it holds the keys to crafting a seamless user redirect experience. Here you're going to add a new rule. Look for the option to add a new redirect rule and click on it. By doing this, you're effectively telling WP Engine you want to create a fresh set of instructions for redirecting traffic. Now you'll see options to define what you want to redirect and where you want it to go. In the field labeled Source, type the old domain or specific page path you desire to redirect. This could be as simple as a slash or a specific path from your original site. Next, in the Destination field, you're going to enter the URL of your new domain. This should be the full URL, such as https://yournewdomain.com. It's now time to specify the type of redirect. For this tutorial, we're choosing a 301 redirect because it's a permanent change. A 301 redirect signals to search engines that the original URL has moved permanently to the new URL, which is crucial for retaining SEO ranking. With these fields set, it's time to save your rule. Click on the Save button, ensuring that all the information you entered is correct. This step confirms the changes and activates the redirect. After saving, it's always good to perform a quick test. Visit your old domain or old URL path to make sure the redirect works as expected. A successful redirect should automatically take you to the new domain you defined. And there you have it, a functional 301 redirect set up on WP Engine. Remember, these changes might take a little while to take effect due to DNS propagation, but testing immediately helps confirm that the settings are correct. This simple process ensures that your traffic gets redirected seamlessly, maintaining continuity for your site visitors and preserving your SEO gains. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful for your domain transition.